Today we're talking about how to get your TRN in Jamaica, and I'm going to show you step by step how to do so. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm LK. We're talking about how to get a TRN. Let's dive right into it. First, if you don't know, a TRN stands for Tax Registration Number, and it's needed for jobs, banking, government services, school applications, and business purposes. In Jamaica, a TRN is used for a lot of important things, so eventually everyone will need to have one. So before applying, make sure you have the correct documents ready. So for adult, you need your birth certificate and a valid photo ID. This can be a passport or your national ID. And if you just graduated, you'll need your school ID. So you can apply at any tax administration office in Jamaica located island-wide. Remember that the Montego Bay office is not located in Freeport, which is close to CPJ. So here's exactly how the process works. You're gonna first gather your documents, visit the nearest tax office, request a TRN application form, fill out the form carefully, and submit your documents. You're gonna then wait for verification, and then you're gonna receive your TRN number. That slip is your official proof and is also accepted everywhere. Now bear in mind, some location may process faster than others. Here is the best part, guys. Getting your TRN is free. If anyone tells you that they can run a link and get it for you where you have to pay money, you are being scammed. The only thing it costs is your time. So if you lost your TRN, you will not need to apply for a new one. Your number is yours for life. Just go to the information desk at the tax office with your ID and just tell them that you forgot your number. They will look it up and print a new slip for you in minutes. So these are the mistakes that you need to avoid. Wrong information, missing documents, different names on documents, arriving late with long lines. If your documents don't match exactly, that could cause issues. One thing that most people don't know is that lines can get really long, especially on busy days like Mondays. So try to pick another day. And also try to get there early in the morning. Although the tax office at Montego Bay is always crowded no matter how long you go there, but it also depends on what you go there to do, because some lines go faster than some lines. Like your driver's license, they're gonna be there for a longer time. So all depends on what you're there for. It's a little paper that they give to you with your name at the front, your tax registration number, and your name on it. Your signature at the back. So the physical card can take up to several weeks. For me, I was in no rush to get mine. All I needed was a slip with the number to start using it for a job. So I went back weeks or probably months later, guys, just to pick up the physical card because I was tired of walking with the slip. So if you did yours recently, let me know how soon it was before you got the physical card itself. So processes and requirements can change over time, so make sure you verify the latest information with the official office before starting your application. So that's it, guys. It doesn't really take any long time to get done, and it's free of cost, and it's an important document that you're gonna need. I hope this video helped to make the process more clear. If this video saved you a headache, hit the like button and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section. Oh, here you go. If they don't ask for your NIS, they're gonna ask for your TRN. So just go out and get it, guys. So now that you have your TRN, you are ready for so many things now, guys. You're ready for a job, and you're also ready to get your driver's license, which I already did a video on. You can watch that video, guys. So what other videos do you want me to do? What other processes are you not clear about? So I can get some information for you. Drop it in the comment section, guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.